So finally, I'm here with the three kids. It's not three. Beside mine, there are another two. So basically, today I'm here for making a video, and now I'm gonna ask them what's their name. What is your name?
Name.
What is your name?
Hussein.
What is your name?
Shamin.
What is
My
your
name
name?
is Tamim.
What is your name?
My name is Rihat.
Okay. There are five kids, and they just enjoy their time, by playing, and it's a really happy moment. I'm also here for enjoying with them. Even that here you can see lot of flowers. Even that it is a really beautiful places. They just here for take flowers. Even that we can see here is flowers. I don't know what is the name of these flowers, but I can see they're passing the time beautiful way. It's a really memorable thing. It will be memorable when this kids will be grow up. That time they just miss their this childhood. The childhood really amazing. It's a this time is really gold. So everybody has a childhood memorized. It's not forgettable. That's the thing. So Allah Hafiz. That's all for today. Bye.